Good day, everybody. It's my pleasure to welcome us all to day 8 of the Robo the African Challenge. On behalf of a Future to the EduTech Hub and Ilimo app, our technical partners, I want to say kudos to everybody that has come this long. The bootcamp is taking off, and we are now at full speed because we have acquired some skills which we expect that participants will be able to use to develop bespoke projects that they will be submitting for assessment. So without much ado, to kickstart today, I want students to present some of their design thinking templates for review by our technical partner, Liu Xin Yon. So who is going to kickstart? Who has his or her own design thinking with him for us to review? Who is here with his design thinking template? Anybody here with his or her design thinking template?
I'm trying to get my own time.
Okay, so immediately you get it, let us know so that you can come up. Hirat, welcome. Where is your design thinking template? Hira.
Sir.
Is your design thinking template ready?
Yes.
Okay, you want to share it with us. So if anybody have problem with the software we installed yesterday, please let us know. Mohammed, have you installed your software?
Yes, sir.
What about Eniola?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that by the time Abubakar join us, we would just take off from where we suspended it. So I want the ladies to go first. Hirat, you will have the floor first. So let me give you permission to share your screen.
I'm having trouble opening the link.
The link for what? You are supposed to have your design thinking template. You are supposed to have it on your system now. Your design thinking is supposed to be on your system. Or what link are you saying you are having challenges opening?
Oh, okay. Okay, now I get what you're saying. Okay.
You want to present it to Z for her to give you some advice on what you should put into it. So your design thinking is supposed to be in a PowerPoint. And you must have downloaded and edited it. Yes. So are you ready for us, Khaira?
No. Open it and make sure it's complete.
Okay, please do.
I think. Oh, yeah, go ahead.
Go ahead, Jabbar. Or Devotion. Who want to? Who is ready for us? Devotion or Jabbar? Jabbar?
I'm about to go first because I need to switch off my computer to change my drive to get my design thinking process. I'll be joining on my phone though, but mine is complete. I just need to get it from a different computer.
So, Jabbar, are you ready? Mohammed and Eniola, are you ready with your design thinking template? Are you ready with it?
I think I was joining right now. That's what he told me. So perhaps like everyone can email the template to me.
Okay.
That's
so
also okay.
Submit their template for forward forwarding to Z.
Yes, I will put my email in the group chat and I'll also put it here.
Okay. So I want to welcome Abu. I will take, you send me that water. Is it water? Okay, so I want to have some bottles of
Yes.
water.
Yeah,
from
well,
you.
I will. Maybe you produce it there, who knows?
Okay.
Apologies for being
So-
late. It was due to an urgent. Yeah, well, sorry.
Okay, no problem. So who want to welcome Abu to the class? I also one of the participants to welcome him. Anybody want to say welcome to him? Any participant who want to say welcome?
Oh, it's fine.
So Abu should go. We should let him to go.
I should leave the group chat,
Okay. If they would not welcome you, let me welcome you. And let me also appreciate your effort. Both you and Z, for taking up the challenge to
Our
develop
pleasure.
African youth, in our quest to move to the digital world. You have preceded us, but you are holding us hand in hand, mentoring us to be able to move forward. We are really grateful for that. So I hope everybody said they have installed. So let us, who want to share his or her screen so Abu can see that he's talking to us, and where are we? If you have loaded your...
I can share my screen.
Okay. So
Please just let me in the meeting.
Okay, you are coming in with another, okay, another
Yes.
system. Okay. I assume that we are all eager for this class, because I can see that everybody is in class almost on time.
It says I can't share my screen.
Okay. Which of the screen do you want to share? Your phone or your system?
My system, the one without a picture.
Okay.
Let my system leave.
Go ahead and share it now.
It's the other one, sir.
Go ahead and share it. You cannot share it.
Okay, there we go.
That's perfect. And today we're gonna do some coding here.
This is where I am.
Yeah. It's perfect.
Okay. That's South Africa. Thumb up for South Africa. South Africa is leading now. So Nigeria, where are you? Nigeria.
Ayesha, let me share my screen, sir.
Okay.
It says all disabled participants screen sharing, sir.
Which one do you want to share there? Because I can see
my laptop, sir.
Is that the one that I just gave permission to?
No.
Okay. Let me permit the other one. Okay. Try it again.
Okay. Yeah.
Try it again. Okay.
So this is what I have, sir.
Okay. Abubakri, over to
It's
you.
perfect. Yeah, perfect.
The men are leading. The
Yes.
men are leading. Where are the ladies?
Yeah, the Android Studio is kind of heavy to run, so that's why it's loading up.
Okay. Khadija, Khairat.
Nice background.
Sir.
Where are you? The men are leading now. You are Z. let's see your screen. So let me allow Khairat. Khairat, can you please show your screen?
Okay, show your screen, please.
Mohammed, oh,
Perfect.
the female have entered the competition.
Let's go. I'm sure they're gonna lead. Not gonna lie.
So, yes, Abu Bakri,
All good, all good. Yeah.
yes. So let us go ahead. So Abu Bakri, the floor is yours now.
Perfect. So I'm gonna start by sharing my screen, and then I'm gonna, share the screen. Nice. Can you see my screen? Yes. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? Uh-oh.
We lost your okay.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes. We can hear you.
Yeah, I made this project yesterday. New window. In Bingo, I'm on the same screen as yours. So today what I'm gonna do is,
Sir, can you mute your Mr. Wasiu? Can you mute yourself? It has an echo.
Yes, thank you.
Start for the pubget. So So today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna, skip a few things and then try to, head start you guys. So what you guys can do is, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna just create a simple button and add some text to the button. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna use that button to go to another page, okay? That's what we're gonna do. Is it fine? Do you guys want to do that?
Yes, let's possibly we can do
or
what you want us to do first before we ask questions.
Yeah. So do you want me? Let's all of us starts by can you all delete this? Just click backspace here. Can you see me?
We can see you.
In the screen, can you see the screen? Can you see the screen?
Yes, we can see your screen.
Perfect. Just click on backspace like this, backspace. Boom. Delete that.
That is line 50, I think.
Yes, line 50 to line 62 deleted, yeah.
Okay. Please, participant, please let's know, let's hear you so that they will know he's talking to us.
Yeah, you did that. And then from line 66 to line 95, delete this too. I mean, maybe to line 100, perhaps, delete it.
All right, sir.
Yes.
You remove the class that says my homepage.state, line 50.
No, it was from line 50 to, let me just go back there. It was from like 51 to 62, this one.
Okay, so
yeah. 51
to 62.
Yep, remove it. And then,
why?
And then from 66 to 100.
66 to 100. Okay.
Line 51 to what? Line 51 to what?
62, I think to 62, yeah.
Okay.
Let me do it again. So this one 50, 51 to 62, yeah, remove that. And then from line 69, yeah, remove this also.
69 or 66?
69 to 100, I think. Like, can you see this where it's written child column? Remove that.
Yes. Okay.
Cool. So I'm gonna start like by a lot of assumptions in the beginning in order to like, you know, speed up the process.
Okay. Wait. Is it from that child column I will delete?
Yes. Oh no, it's
So
60. Apologies, it's 66, 966. Yeah, I got missed. Sorry. You're right. Who was the devotion? You're right. Yeah, 966 to 100.
Is that body center?
Yes, body center 200,
Okay.
which is like this.
You know, I'm also working on my system. So to 100. So that is the child constant also.
Yeah.
So we'll leave this trailing comma or something like that.
Yeah, you just delete the comma, everything like that.
Okay.
We just have the body and then these three things. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So. Okay.
Is everyone there? Okay.
Khairat, are you on it?
Yes, sir.
Mohammed, are you getting it?
So,
Eniola, any question?
no, sir.
Jabbar, are we to go? Jabbar.
Wait, I have a question.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so I don't really understand.
Yeah. As I mentioned earlier, for now we can just go on assumptions and then I'm gonna explain everything. It's okay.
I didn't get that.
Can you go ahead and share your screen? Khairat, share your screen.
Can
Okay. Okay, so I really don't understand what you're doing. It's like you're muted.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. So in the beginning, we can just clean the code and then, you know, in order to write our own code, use what already exists there. And then I'm gonna go and explain everything. Just wait till the end if it's fine. It's fine. Perfect.
Yeah, I guess what right now is that I was trying to prepare, so like it's easier to code later. So hopefully you can follow along.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna create our own class later. The whole thing we're gonna create it again later in the bottom. So the way Flutter works is, you know, let me explain everything. Here, this void, you know, this loop, what it does is it constantly run this class. So when you run the app from here, it comes to this class, it runs it. In this class, you know, is a widget. Flutter works with widget. Widget is basically like something that you see on the screen. And then here in my homepage, you know, this is called stateful widget. Stateful widget means when something is changing constantly on the screen. So when I start to like explain all these things, it's gonna get more and more complicated. So what my intention is to just, you know, start by a few assumptions in the beginning and then slowly at the end come back to explaining everything. I hope that's okay for everyone. So let's start writing some code here. So in Flutter, how it works is you can make containers like which contain something inside it. So you can make a container with a text inside it. You can make a container with a button inside it. And then, you can give it like edges, give it like height, width, and everything. So let's start by putting in the body. Do you know scaffold? What's scaffold? It's like the main structure. App bar is like the bar that will be showing at the top of the app. I'm going to show you later when I run the app. And it will have a text in it. And the body of this whole scaffold is a container. Why are you using a container in the body? Because it's very easy to work with the container. The container can have like padding. What do we mean by padding? Is like, padding means like how far away from left, right, top, right, and bottom it is. So you can just put like from left, okay, 0, from top, 0. So what do these numbers mean? Like what does this 0, 0, 0 mean? It means that the container that we created, it will be 0 pixels, away from the left, 0 pixel away from the right, in the top, in the bottom. So it will like contain the whole page. And inside this container, in Flutter, we can have.
Abu, just a minute. You are in which line? Which line is that body that you have
body is
started
in line.
putting?
Yeah, line 59.
Line 59. Okay.
Maybe let me just do Control C, Control Z. Yeah, just bring the proper line. The body is in line 66. Sorry, yeah, line 66. For you guys, it should be line 66. But can you see it? Can everybody see it?
Everybody, can you see body there? I hope I have not deleted my own, because I can't see. Let me share my screen.
Go ahead.
Khairat, can you see the body?
Yes, I can.
And you have started to code. Eh?
Yes, I think so.
Okay. What about Mohammed?
Yes, sir.
You got that body?
No, actually, I'm lost.
You are
Sorry?
not what? So I can't see body here, or maybe I've deleted it.
Can you show me your screen, Waseo? It's fine. We can.
Yes, my screen is on now.
Let me stop sharing my screen.
Okay.
How can I stop sharing my screen? I don't know. Let me go there.
It's just be under your.
Oh, it's here. Yeah. Yeah. What's it?
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Skillful body. Can you click on the top? It's written git dependency. Can you click on that first? No, on the right. Go to the right.
I should go to now.
Yeah, click on the right. No, git dependency. Click on git dependencies.
On the right, git dependence.
Yeah.
Where is it?
Shini highlighted it. Oh yeah, on the left of it. Like, can you see it's highlighted? It's underlined.
Z, can you assist me? Where is it? Okay. Get dependency. Okay. I'll click on it. Thank you.
Yeah,
okay.
You can do something. Wait a little bit.
So I'll click on it.
And I'm gonna send something in the group chat, and then
Okay.
Let's wait for this. Let's hope there is no error. Perfect. It should be fine now. Yeah. So what you should do is, Waseo, to put this in after line 66, put this, what I put in the group chat. I put something in the group chat, just put it after line 66. Maybe just remove. Let's put this first. Let's see.
Who again is having the same challenge with me?
Sorry.
So I have a question.
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead and ask your question, please.
Okay, so from yesterday, I got stuck at the file.
Okay, can you share your screen? Let us see what you have there. So, am I correct like this, Abubakri?
Yeah, you
put
can
it
just
in
put,
front.
you can just, yeah, just click there in enter. Click there, right? Yeah, right there, and press enter. Yeah, so it's like in the right line. Yeah, so far so good.
Okay. So, who is it that want to show us the screen? Somebody said he got stuck. Who was that? You said
It was
he got
Eniola.
stuck. Okay, so please share your screen so that we can be on the same page. Eniola, please go ahead and share your screen. Okay,
This is it.
it's coming up.
It's coming up.
Okay. But you said you have installed it. Where is your Android Studio? This is Flutter. Where is your Android Studio? Eniola?
I don't have it.
No, go to your search
Search.
and search for Android Studio. You downloaded it yesterday now. Go and
Yes, I
search.
did.
Wait, this is Flutter. Number one, unwrap, right click on one of these. Right click and extract file. Right click on the folder. Right click. No, I didn't say open. Right click. Right click. Extract. No, it's not supposed to be extract all. It's supposed to be
Yeah, it
extract.
works. It also works. Yeah, it's good.
Okay, extract all. Okay. Yeah, click on that. Okay. Now go to your search and search for Android Studio. Search for Android Studio. I believe it should be on your system by now. Abubakar has put it
It's
there.
extracting.
That one has extracted. Now go and search for Android Studio. Search for it. If it is not on your system, then you have to install it. Abubakar has put what you have to search.
So it's not on my system. I'm going to download it.
I download it. Mohammed. Mohammed. Is it there? Yeah, share your screen. So, Eniola, that is where you are going to download it. Abubakar has sent it to you. Send it to everybody. Mohammed, share your screen, please.
Okay, thank you.
Mohammed, share your screen. You are going to use this to build your own Apple. So I hope
He disconnected.
he's disconnected. Okay. So we hope he will come up back. So I think it's only Eniola we are waiting for now to install his Android Studio. So let us continue, Mohammed. Let us continue, Abubakar. Jabbar, are you with us? Jabbar. Jabbar.
I'm with you.
Have you?
Yes, sir.
Have you started coding? Are you already on that line 66? Have you put
Yes, I inputted the body, but then I'm finding where the thing is.
So I want everybody to be on the same. Well, Abubakar, over back to you, please. Abubakar, share your screen.
Yeah, let me share my screen.
Thank you very much.
Okay, can you see it?
Yes, okay, it's coming up.
Yeah, let me go and then here. Yeah, we were here. So, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Perfect. So we were here we like, we put in the code scaffold, returns scaffold. So we're gonna make a scaffold. In the body of the scaffold, we made a container. And we said the container should like hold the whole space of the scaffold. So what we could do is, now in the container, we can what we call a child. We have a lot of child and children in Flutter. So we can put a child, and the child can be a simple text. Okay. And the text can be Waseo. How are you?
Okay.
It can be a simple text inside this container. The whole container is holding the whole page, and there is the text. So let's go here, click on this button, everybody, here, and then go click on Edge or Chrome, and anything that you have on your system. Once you click on that, then come and click on this play button. The play button here, like this button. So when you click on this, it will run the code. And for me, it run the code in this page here. Yeah. So can you see the app here? Like it's written Waseo, how are you? Can you see here?
We can see it. Please go back to the code again, please.
Yes, let me go back to the code. So
please,
we made
everybody will display this, so you will display what you have. Okay. So child, test, then we put
quotation or double quotation, any works, you put it inside the double quotation, you put any text you want, and then you close the bracket of this text. You open the bracket here, you close the bracket here, and you put a comma, which means this child is finished.
Your text is in green color. My own text is not in green color.
What's your text in? Can you share your screen? Let me stop sharing. Let me go and stop sharing. Yeah. Can you share your screen, Waseo?
Yes. This is my text. It's not in green color.
Oh, it's because after the child you put like a semicolon. It should be colon, not semicolon. Yeah, semicolons at the end always. Yeah. In the text, the start of it, it should be a capital letter.
Okay.
In that double quotation should be before the bracket closes. At the end, you see the double quotation at the end, at the very end.
Okay. Okay. The text has changed color.
Yeah. No. Remove the double quotation. Remove it. Yeah.
Okay. I will.
Just leave the text and remove everything else. And then I'm gonna give you this.
I should put the double column, then I should put bracket. Okay.
Yeah. No, just remove everything else and then put this afterwards. Remove everything literally. Just leave the text, remove everything. Yeah, everything. And then put what I put in the chat. Just put it in there, enter.
Let me. I'll become copycat. Please, if you are not getting it,
Yeah. So the way programming works is whenever in programming languages there's something between double quotation, it's a text. And texts are called strings in programming language.
Okay. Jabbar, I want to ask a question. Yes.
My system just displayed
We can't hear you. Come again.
My PC just displayed the blank page. I don't know what's wrong.
Language. Go ahead.
Blank page. I think I'm good to go. I'm good to go. It's back.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Also, Waseo, can you share your screen again? I think I saw something.
Okay. Khairat. Khairat.
Oh no, it should be fine. Just that the child should be
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
it's perfect. It should be in minuscule.
Please share your screen. Khairat. Mohammed, share your screen. Khairat, go ahead. Eniola. Eniola.
Okay.
Mohammed and Khairat. Want to see your screen.
Sir, I've gotten the Android Studio now.
Okay, load it so that you will come. Khairat, where are you? Khairat, Mohammed.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah,
Yes,
show your
sir. I
screen
can.
now. Share your screen. You want to run that program?
Okay, but only.
Z, please help us meet people. Khairat, share your screen now.
Yes, sir. I'm trying to share. Okay.
Okay.
So I think I'm lost from the beginning.
Yeah, I will send something in the group chat. You just do Control A in backspace and then put that in the coding. Okay, let me send something in the group chat. Yeah, just delete everything on the screen by clicking on the screen and then holding Control A and then clicking on backspace. Khaira, can you hear me?
Khaira.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Click Control A. Click Control A.
Control A.
Yes.
Okay.
No, first click on the screen, then click on the code somewhere, and then click Control A.
Click Control A now.
Now click backspace.
Good.
Oh, okay.
Good. You are
Let
good.
me see. Control A, Control. Let me see if I can send.
Yes.
Yes.
Can I send you the code in an email or something, and you send to Khaira? Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Let me try if we can send via WhatsApp. How about that?
Okay.
Shini, I will send it to you in Messenger, and then you send it in WhatsApp if it's fine.
Yeah, you can try WhatsApp web, it works.
Do you want to send the code we have now?
Yes, send do Control A and send, or Shini will do it, and she will send it in the WhatsApp group, and then from there Khaira can take it and then paste it in her in their yeah.
Khairat. Oh.
Yes.
Okay, just a minute.
Yeah, I'm trying to do it now.
Yashini is putting something in the WhatsApp group chat. Go copy that and then put it in here, and then it should be fine. Copy the whole thing and then paste it in here. Yeah.
Sir, can I share my screen?
Please go ahead. Khaira.
Yes, sir.
Did you get the WhatsApp message?
Yes.
So what should I do?
Okay, next. Click on next. Next. Higher up.
I've clicked
Yes.
on next.
Yes, click on next. Did you get the WhatsApp message?
Yes.
Go ahead and put that Control A, Control C, the code.
What?
Copy it. Copy what you have on WhatsApp.
Okay.
So what should I do next?
Next.
Okay, so after this,
Install. No. Install. No, don't click that. Install. Okay, so let it finish installation. Thank you. Khairat, can we have your screen? Mohammed, where are you?
No, I'm not yet done.
I'm using another person's laptop.
Who is using another person's laptop?
So
Mohammed, where are you?
the laptop I was using before is not with me.
Ah, so you are not working. Daddy will hear that too. Jabbar, can you share your screen, please? Devotion, get ready. Want to see what you have? Mohammed, devotion.
Okay, sir. I'm here.
Jabbar, okay. Devotion, share your screen. Jabbar, you will be next. Devotion, we are expecting you. Okay, good. Are we good to go, Abubakri? Abubakri, Sadiq, Abubakri.
Yes, we are. Yeah. Did you
Okay,
who were on that? Yeah, exactly. We should be right here.
That's devotion. So, devotion,
Yeah.
thank you. Jabbar, please, let's see what you have.
And you can just put anything in there. Yeah.
Okay. I'm trying to copy the Zoom meeting link back to my laptop. I just disconnected, so I will let you know when I'm back on chat.
Okay. Khairat, have you copied the code into your something?
What? Yes.
Yeah, let's see. Devotion is good to go. Wasu is good to go. So let's see if we have
I
the
can't
streaming.
hear you.
Share your screen.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So, Abu, is she good to go? Abu Bakri?
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Everyone
Good.
there?
Yes. So,
Yes.
let's
So
continue.
far,
Abu Bakri, what are we to do next?
let me share my
Highlight
screen.
screen sharing so that you can see Abu's screen.
Yeah, let me start sharing my screen.
Good.
Okay. Nice. So as I mentioned earlier, you can just come here, choose your browser, Chrome or web, or like if you have other device. And then you can click on this button to run the code. Let me recap what we did. Flutter works with widgets, okay? So here we just say we are building a widget, a big widget. In each widget has its context, okay? Inside this class called my homepage. And this widget has a scaffold. In the body of the scaffold is a container, and inside the container there's a child called text. Now, what if you want to have several lines of text? Okay, you cannot just, if you try to like write another text here, make another child, it doesn't work because it's not made that way. You see the red thing here? It means there's a problem, So what we will do is now we will just leave the child here in its place. You see the text was here. Sorry. The text was here in front of the child. You just click here after the colon and click enter like twice so it comes down, and then right here child, right, stack. If you write stack, just remove this bracket from it, and we're gonna put the bracket at the very end, and then inside the stack we can add what we called children. A stack can have children in it. A container can only have one child, but a stack can have children, like a lot of child. A lot of child, I mean a lot of children. And then you can do this, right? Widget. So let me recap kind of what we did. No, it's not. So what we did was we bring the text down, and inside the container, instead of having just one text, you want to have a lot of text or a button in a text or an image, a button in a text or something. We want to have a stack in it, like stack things up on top of one another or next to one another or whatever. And then inside the stack, we can have a child, children. Children means we can have a lot of, containers inside it, inside of the children. So what is the difference between a child and a children? A child can have only one thing and children can have a lot. And why do we have this widget here? We have this widget written here because Flutter, as I told you, widget, it works with widgets. Like a text can be a widget, an image can be a widget, a button can be a widget. So far so good. If you understand, let me copy this code and then give it to you. From line 66 onward, I'm going to just copy this code and send it in the group chat so everyone can put it in there. Sorry. So what we did, the code is in here. Just remove everything after line 66 and put this. So there's no mistakes. Let me share my screen again. So what we did,
Yes, sir.
Have you copied the?
Yes, I have.
Okay.
So what we did.
Any.
So I'm recording.
You said what? Any?
Sir.
What did you say?
So I'm recording this thing. So if I get the laptop, I will not do it.
Who talking? Any Allah or Mohammed?
Ahmed.
Okay, where is Eniola? Eniola?
So I'm here. I'm here.
Is your something not working very well?
Oh yes. Let me share my screen.
Okay.
Yeah, let me stop sharing.
Sorry.
So you just tell everyone what we are doing is we're gonna, create like put several text, a button in an image in our screen that we have created so far. That's what we are trying to do. And that's why we are going through this whole process of creating stack and children and stuff.
Click next. Okay, finish. Okay. So it's supposed to come up now. No, click cancel for this. cancel what's on the screen. Cancel it. It has extracted. So if it doesn't come up in some few seconds, search for Android Studio and let it come up.
Okay.
Thank you very much. So what is the next thing, sir? Abubakri, we have copied and pasted.
Perfect. Let me share my screen again.
Okay.
Sure. Okay, let's go here. So you copy and paste the code, okay? So what we're gonna do now is, sorry. Yeah, this is what you copied and paste. So after this, here you see the bracket, starts here, the bracket of the text. Start here and ends here, and here's the comma. Click enter after the, click enter after the comma. And then let's make another text. Let's make another text. Just write text, and then inside it, put double quotation, and then let's just say, I'm fine. And then just finish the, just put I'm fine, and then put a comma next to it. Did everyone get it? So we make another text. We make another text, and then brackets, and then inside the bracket we have the double columns or just one column, and then inside that we just put our text. In this context, I just put I am fine. Is everyone following? Let's say, is everything all right? So let me
just, I think I have it. Let me share my screen. Devotion.
Let me stop sharing. Go ahead.
Devotion. 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 Are you there? Am I good to go?
Let me see your screen. It's loading.
Okay.
Give it some time. Yep. You're good to go. I don't know why you're maybe. I don't know why it's throwing an error for you, but you can check it later. But the code should be fine. You're good to go with the code, yeah.
Okay. Thank you. So
I will just copy and paste the code in the chat, and then you guys can see it. Or Shini will send it in. So let me share my screen again once more, so I show you what we made so far. So again, we come here, and then I have chosen to run the app on Edge. We can run it on an Android phone. You can also run it on iPhone. If you have Mac, you can run it on iPhone. But we created two texts so far in the screen. We just put name in there, and now let's run it. Now you see it's run here, and for me it's right here. You see, oh sorry. So you see now the text is messed up, like both one is on the top of another. Can everyone see it? One is on the top of another, right?
Oh, yes.
So how are we gonna solve this?
My own is not running.
Yeah, I saw yours was not running. I think it's due to a problem due to configuration. Maybe Waseo, what you can do, Waseo, is go to terminal here. Let me just click on terminal in the bottom right here. Okay.
Okay.
And type flutter pub get. Type this. Go to terminal and type flutter pub get.
Send it via chat, please.
Yes, let me copy this.
Who has been able to run his or her code?
I think Devotion did. I believe.
Send it in the chat. Khairat, is your code running?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir?
Is your code running? Run your code and let's be sure.
Click OK. Yeah. Click OK. Good job.
Who want to show us his running code? Eniola, okay, you are coming up. Okay, good. Eniola is coming up. So let it come up.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. That's good. Mohammed, I'll report to Daddy that you promised to do this. And
I told you that I'm recording this because I'm not with the laptop that I was using before.
that's it now. And that's what you promised. So, Khairat, is your code running?
No, it's not.
So, share your screen. Let's see.
Okay. No, the network isn't.
Yeah, just go. There's the written in the middle of the screen on the top. No device selected. Go click on that.
Okay.
Yeah, click on that. Come click on Edge. Click on Edge. Edge. Yeah. No. Yeah. Go. There's a play button on the right. The green play button. Yeah. Click on that. Click. Yeah. Yeah. Now wait. No, wait. Yeah. Wait. It's running. It's running. It can take some time. Then show us what happens, okay?
Oh, okay, Iran.
It's
It's
great.
on. Hey, it's not allowing me to type. Eniola, you are the one. Okay, click next. Eniola,
Sir?
click next. Let's see.
Okay.
You can click either don't send or send. You can click either one you want. If you want to send the statistics of your usage of Android Studio to Google or not. That's what you choose.
Click don't send. Click don't send. Don't send. Good. Yeah, next. 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 Okay. Next. Okay, click on accept. Okay, finish. Is okay. Okay. Good, Eniola. So, Eniola, please stop sharing your screen. Let Abu attend to me also. Abu, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can just write. I put something in the chat. Copy that and put it here. Just click here. First click here, and then remove the 2BB that you have put. And yeah, and then go to the group chat. Yeah, and then click on enter. Yeah, you click enter. Is it running? Yeah, it should be if you click enter.
I've clicked enter. It's very slow.
Yeah, and rest you take a lot of space on RAM. Yeah.
Okay. So I'll try to stop. Oh yeah. Let's see the lady that said her own is running. Khairat. Khairat. People have dropped from the call. Khaira, you are in the call now.
Yeah, I think Khaira
Yes,
is
sir. Yes.
running.
Yeah, let's see. Your code is running.
Okay.
I will come to your house. You will see. I'll come and take the code.
Oopsie.
Yeah, your code is running, Khaira, or not? I think it is, right? Yeah, there you go.
Khaira, how did you do it? So you have now become an app developer.
There
Okay,
you go.
good.
Yeah. It's right.
So, where's code is running? My own code is not running. Can you see what's happening?
I can see. Yeah, I can see it. Yeah.
Is it good to go? Running footer will get in footed.
Yeah, but it's not finished, right? It's not finished yet.
No,
So you see there's
actually,
written,
it's done.
it's loading.
It's
There's written indexing on the top right, So I think maybe it's because of you see in the bottom, it's also something loading. So you can take some time to load the whole thing and then check.
Okay.
Give it some time.
Hey, highlight. If my code don't run today, you will see. I will take my phone and come to your house. Devotion. Let's see.
Yes, sir.
Let's see your screen.
My screen.
Yes.
Okay, there we go. There's my screen.
You me. Devotion. Especially now. If you open your window blind, I'm there. Devotion, congratulations. You have become an app developer. That's good. Jabbar. So, Devotion, your own is already on. Khairat, one of the child is missing. One of the child is missing in your code. We have just only one child. We have 2 children in the code. So look at your code very well. We have only one child there. We are supposed to have 2 children. So, Jabbar, let's see your own screen.
Okay, sir. So yes, sir. I don't know what happened. The Android Studio just it says not responding. So I now canceled it. I'm trying to enter back now.
Okay, best of luck. So please click on like for our previous videos and subscribe. So that immediately I upload any of these videos, you'll be able to know. So, Abubakar, over to you.
Okay, perfect. So let's get back to the business. So showing the screen, share, and then let me go to the code here. So we were here like coding this thing, but as we saw earlier, it was on the wrong like text, that both texts were on the top of each other, and we don't want that. We want to be able to like put the text in different places on the screen, left, right, bottom, up, down, wherever you want. So for that, what we will do is we can take on the top of the text, what we can do is here the text is, we're gonna try to on the top of the text make a container, and then put the end bracket of the container right after the text. This would like put the text inside the container, but the container always wants child, Yeah, it does. So here in the beginning, we had a container, and the container had a child. In the child, there was a stack, and we stack all these things, inside the container. And the child had children. So in the children, we use children because we want to use several texts and buttons and stuff on the same page. We added a text, but then we saw the 2 texts were overlapping. So what we do now is we have a solution for that. Just putting the text inside the container You see, we made a container, child, text. So the text is now inside the container. And what this will allow us to create a padding for this container. Padding means like how far is it from left and right in all those things. Yeah. Agents that are from left, top, right, bottom. And we want to put this text, for example, 10 pixels from the top, and then maybe let's say 10 maybe let's say 90 pixels from the right, 10 pixels from the top, and then you will see what does pixel mean in terms of the ratio in the screen, and then 1 from the right, and then maybe 80 from the bottom. Just if you just put like left and top, you know, because it's like we are working in 2 dimensions, it will work. So yeah, this what we did. Now let's run the code once more. You know, here was the result, and then if you run it once again, you know, here's our result. Let this quickly run. Give it some time. Yeah. So let me recap everything again. So Flutter work with widgets. So we're building a widget. In the widget, everything like classes and stuff work with context instead. Like I'm explaining these things to you. It sounds very confusing now, but like when we get to do it, it will be like do the coding and go through it and see the result on the screen when we run it. It will be less confusing. So you see, we added this pad. We put this text inside this container and we added the padding. And it's written was say how are you. So you see, it's here was say how are you. But if I increase the you know, if I increase its margin from top, the first one, you see the first one is L means left, the second one is T means top, the third one is R right, B bottom. So you want to increase the margin from top and literally bring the text down. So let's put 500 pixels and then run it again. You gotta take some time to run. Yeah, you don't worry about the things on the screen. So again, why we are putting the text inside the container? Because we want to have more freedom in terms of where we want to put the text and place the text on the screen. And similarly, we can put, okay, here it goes. Let's see what happened. Yeah, you see, we said 500 pixels, right? Now you see the text is not at the top, it's right here. And you can play with these numbers and move the text around the screen anywhere you want. In this text, I'm fine. It's not in a container. So it's, you know, we cannot move it around freely. So we can just, what you can do is we can just put this text inside a container also. Container, you know, we put the bracket of the container after the bracket of the text. So we just put the text inside the container, make sure it's inside. And the child of the container is this text. And the padding means left, right, edge, you know. You can have different types of padding, but in this context, we can just use from left, top, right, and bottom. And we can just now move this around easily. We can also say, okay, make sure it's 90 pixels left from 90 pixel away from the left. And let's say 570 pixels from the top for no reason, 1 from the right, and 80 from the bottom. And inside it, it's written, I'm fine. So let's run this code again and see what happens.
Anybody that is on top should let us know. If your own is running, let us know.
Yes. And if I'm going very fast, just let me know, slow me down, and I can just copy and paste the code into the chat and you can just put it in your. So you see, this is 500 pixels from the top, and this is 570 pixels from the top. So I say, how are you? And here says, I'm fine. So far, is everyone following? Let's check on everybody.
Let's be gender sensitive. Hirat first. Are you following? Hirat, are you following?
I think I'm lost.
You didn't think you are lost because you did not tell us that you are lost. So if you will go ahead and share your screen, let us see it. Let's see your screen, please. Khairat.
Okay.
Maybe you didn't follow through, like you didn't add the second text either in the stack. And let
I was
me
telling
send.
her that
Yeah, could you send like?
she has only one child instead of 2 children.
Yeah. Waseu, could you send like all the code that you have on your screen to them and then see what happens?
My own code is also not complete. I'm trying
Okay,
to
let
get
me.
that.
Yeah, let me send myself the code in to Shini, and then Shini gonna send to everybody else. Control A, Control C. And then let's go find it. Let's go find it.
Khairat, stop screen sharing.
Okay.
Go there. Latest code.
I'm trying to put the second container. It's not coming.
Why? What it says? Let me see your screen. What's it? What it says? Maybe the problem is that after the children you just put padding. You should put the container above padding, right? Container there, above padding. Go above padding. It's written here. Yeah, right. Container there, and then open the bracket of the container. Container with the capital C.
Okay. But there's already a container there. Okay, let me just
Container. Open the bracket. And then just remove the closing bracket. Remove the closing bracket. Okay. And go after text, the bracket of the text, and click enter, and then put the bracket there. Yeah. Put the closing bracket there.
Okay.
Put a comma.
Okay.
Put a comma.
Okay.
And then go back to text, go back to close up the text, and then write child. Go up back to text, write child, and then colon. Write child. Then colon. Colon. No, colon, sorry.
Okay.
And then, now run the code. But I don't know why your code is not running. Maybe your system is slow.
But what about this other text? I am fine.
Yeah,
this
other text, you can also like wrap it in a container. So you just write container above.
Okay.
Nice. Container, yeah. Open the bracket. Just remove the closing bracket. Put it after the text. Above. Yeah, after the bracket of the text, yeah. Put a comma in there.
Okay.
Put a child in front of the text. Like write child in the front, No, sorry. I mean like there.
Okay. Before the text.
Before, sorry, yeah. Child and then colon, yeah. Nice. And then because maybe it's because your system is slow, that's why it shows problem. But then you can also click on the container again, in the opening bracket place.
I should put padding there also.
You can copy and paste. Yeah, you can copy and paste that one and put it in the bottom. Yeah. Go there and paste. And now you can change its margins from left and right and all those things. If it's on the same, if it has the same padding, it will be literally on the top of each other. If it has different padding, it will be a bit, left. You can make it 570 from the top. Yeah, the second one is the top. You can make it 570 pixels, for example, and then you can run it.
Okay, thank you.
I'm having troubles.
Right, let us see it. That's why we are here. We have taken Abu's whole day. Abu, we are sorry.
Oh, with pleasure. I like this. I hope everyone enjoys too.
Okay, so like whenever I try to type, it goes to the side. Like it isn't inside the body.
It's loading. Your screen's loading now. I couldn't see your screen earlier.
Your screen has run away. Eniola.
Sir?
Okay.
Are
So
you
whenever
now?
I try to type, it's not inside the body, it's like somewhere else.
Yeah, because you skip a few steps that we did earlier. I think Shini send can you send the latest code in the group chat? So Shini sent the latest code in the WhatsApp group chat and then copy the latest.
Wasiu, how are you? Go in front of that. Go in
Sorry?
front of that. Wasiu, how are you? Go in front of it. Where enter.
No, I think because they have to put like stack in the child, and then after that they have to put widget in something. So they miss all the code. So I think they have to. Yeah, I send the code in Shini send the code in WhatsApp group chat. Yeah, so they can just copy and paste here from the website. Copy and then come here, do Control A and then Control V.
Highlight. Go to the WhatsApp group and copy and paste.
In the meantime, I'm gonna get some water.
Let's see your screen. Highlight, stop screen sharing. Let's see in your last screen.
Okay, so
Everybody, you have my own code is not running.
so this is
Can you
it.
see your screen?
Install Android build this.
So can you see my screen?
Yes. It's downloading.
Yes, it's downloading.
Okay.
Sir, can we see your screen?
My screen, okay. So Eniola,
Yes.
please stop sharing.
Okay.
So Mohammed and the Jabbar,
Sir, are you sharing your screen?
I am coming. I want to share it too. I need help. Even if it is from South Africa, I don't mind. We all supported Mandela during the struggle.
Yes.
So please, it's coming up. Okay.
Yes. It says title widget. Can you scroll up a little bit to line 70? Line 70. Can you go to line 70?
Okay. Okay. Line 70.
Children widget. Okay. Check if there's commas at the end of every sentence there.
Okay.
Just scroll down slowly. Yes. There seems to be a comma everywhere. So why is it saying error undefined name widget title text.widget?
Fail to complete application.
Yeah, there's somewhere. Okay. You see where the scroll, but I'll click there where it says errors 5 on your right, top right.
It said 6521. Can you see this one?
Yes, I can see it. Go up.
Okay, let's go to 65.
Yes.
I hope everybody is seeing the way we are debugging.
Okay, there we go. Title widget.title text comma. It's fine. Return scaffold up bar. That is fine.
Okay.
Go up.
Okay, let's see.
To 22, 21.
You said, okay. Okay, 65, 21, okay.
Maybe we'll save copy and paste everything from the
Yeah.
WhatsApp group. Yeah, it'll
Okay.
be faster.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
You can see the way we are debugging everybody. I hope you are following us.
The debugging is like yeah, a bit of a headache, you know. Yeah.
Thanks to IDEs, we cannot debug easily.
Yeah, yeah.
Khairat. Khairat.
Yes, sir.
Are you now on top of it? Is it now working? No. Or what?
I think so.
You can only hear the sound of a mosquito. We want to know whether it's working. That's what we want to know.
So my installation has been stuck at downloading components for a very long time.
Let's see it. Maybe it's let's see it.
It will move. It's just your system may be slow. Because it will move. Your system is slow.
Oh, okay.
Okay. I have to save my work because my system is also going low on power. There is no save here. Abubakri.
I'm here.
I can't see save. Okay, I see save all. Okay. My system is running low on battery. So
Oops.
no problem. So let's finish up. So I'll turn
Yeah.
okay.
So do you have time to do more, or how much time? How much time do we have?
Everybody, what's the situation now? Anybody that want to ask a question, we can now see. Okay, now we have been able to launch it on we have launched it on the web.
Yes.
Is there any other thing that we have to do to launch it, maybe on Android?
Well, let me rush it on Android for you. Basically, you have to configure your emulator. You have to download the emulator, and then once you have it, you can launch it on Android as well. And then if you have, for example, iOS, you know, if your Android Studio is installed on Mac or something, you can like launch it on any iOS device. So currently, I'm trying to launch it like on on my Android device, virtual emulator, and then we will see how it goes. Let me show it to you like how it looks like on an Android device. And take some time, but it will work. So in the meantime, it's running. Let me explain again what we did. We can create our own class to next time if we have time, or I don't know, today, whenever. So further work with widgets, we are building a context, and inside this widget, we are making a scaffold. The scaffold has a bar on the top. You're gonna see later. And the body of the scaffold contains a container, and the container is like stretched in the whole body of it. Inside the container, there is a child, and the child is stack. Stack allows us to put things next to each other, on top of each other. That's why we use stack. And inside the stack, there's children. Why are we using children? Because we are using several containers or several widgets, like, you know, like text and stuff. And after we put the children in the widget, we make like open like the square brackets, and then we put our two containers in there. We added padding to our containers, like press it in different places on the screen. And there you go, it's run on an Android device. This is an Android device, by the way.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So
Okay.
I think it's better to run on web because it will be faster. We don't need to like configure a lot of things, you know. And
Okay.
then, oh yeah, this is what we did today so far. You know, and then we create one text called waseo, like one text, and we put inside waseo, how are you? And the other one, I'm fine. We give some padding to it. You know, the text was initially inside the container, and the container allows us to move it freely inside the big and move it on top of each other. And similarly, you know, yeah. How much time do we have, waseo?
So thank you very much
If you
for the airport. Can you just spare us one more lecture? Maybe one or
Yes.
two more lectures. Okay, so
yeah, I think we can meet once again.
okay,
Maybe
on Friday. Okay?
Friday, do you think, let me check, because I'll be going to the US, so I'm not
Okay,
really
do
sure.
you want tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow I'm free.
Okay. Everybody, are we around the same time tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mohammed.
I speak for Ahmad.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I just received this water from
Yeah.
from Soti. So let me also take some water.
Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like the
Yes, yes. So from South Africa, are you also around?
Let's just put it on a maybe, most likely.
Okay. But I think your own is already running. So maybe what we are going to do is this. Before tomorrow, this is what I want to learn next. Let us put it between now. I give you the next 2 hours. Look at what you have done today. What do you want to learn next? Let us put it on the group chat so that Abubakar will prepare for us tomorrow and he'll be able to guide us. So today we have been able to write something. For those of us that want to present up for this competition, let's ask enough questions from Abubakar. So we have him now before for us to. So do we all agree that the next hour, Abubakar should check the group chat. So anything that is there, you collect it, and tomorrow we meet. So Khairat, I want a female to appreciate the Ilmo app team. Khairat, are you still on the call?
Yes, sir.
Please, a word
Sir?
of appreciation. Or do you think what Z and Abu has done for us is not worth it? Or is it
No,
worth it?
thank you very much.
Can you also
Okay.
turn like your
and
cameras?
Mr. Abu.
Of course,
Okay.
like our pleasure, you know.
Your face, Khairat, if you are comfortable, but if you are not, let's know.
Sorry?
Can you turn on your camera to appreciate our lecturers? If you are not comfortable, let's just know that you are not comfortable. It's not compulsory.
No, okay.
We want to see your face as you give the note of appreciation. Khairat has gone. So devotion, you want to do that from South Africa? Oh, hi. Okay, so that's Khaira. Okay. So yeah, give your appreciation, Khaira. Unmute and talk. Highlight
What?
appreciation.
Okay. Thank you very much for what you've done. We appreciate you very much.
Come on, it's my pleasure. No need to say appreciations. I love it, I love sharing something.
And
Okay.
then nice.
I hope you guys are liking it.
Nice getting to meet you.
Same.
No. Okay, so one of the main objective of this program is the collaboration and the communication, and I hope that we are all learning to collaborate. This has been put together from Africa, from Europe, and from Asia, and for us to be able to develop Africa. So this is a very great collaboration, and I want to say a very big thank you to everybody that has participated. Mohammed and Abdul Jabbar, we don't know the situation of your company now, so please let us know. For Eniola, if you are still having challenge with your Android Studio loading, you can restart your system, and please let us know on the group chat so that you can keep us updated, please, because by tomorrow we want you to watch this video and to have been able to do what we have done to the extent we are. So then in another 2 hours, please, let's get ourselves organized and tell Abu what we want to discuss tomorrow. He's a very busy person. Both of them are very busy. So let's just take tomorrow so that then we'll start preparing our app and other things for the competition. Once again, I want to thank everybody. And I want to declare today's class close. Thank you very much. Everybody, see you tomorrow.
Sir, can you just send an email on the group on WhatsApp?
Okay. Z, please send your email on WhatsApp. I will send the email of the hub also so that you can copy both of us, and then we can see what you have in your that's your design thinking. So everybody, please make sure your design thinking forward it today. That okay, see, I've done that. I can see that. So I'll also send that of the hub so that we can copy the hub also. We can have records. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Have a nice day. Bye.
Yes.